The damage of rejection is your language pattern. Hello, I am Coach Don Martinez, and if you are listening to this right now, and it feels like the word rejection has been stamped across your forehead, this is your sign. Not to apply more, not to rewrite your resume for the 10th time. This is your sign to hire a career strategist and coach. Because I'm going to be honest with you. See, that brick wall you keep running into is not the market alone. What it is outdated language patterns and emotional meaning you keep bringing into your job search market. So last week, 25 professionals joined me for the damage of rejection. See, it's not a resume problem. It's your language patterns. And here was the breakthrough. See, the pain is not the rejection. The pain is what your mind makes rejection mean. Are you with me? See, no callbacks, no responses, pure silence. And suddenly, the mind whispers, what has changed? Am I losing my edge? Do I need to lower my expectations? Should I abandon the career I actually want? That is real danger. Because once you start lowering your standards to escape the pain, you are no longer job searching. You are negotiating against your own identity. That's right. Listen to that again. You keep hitting the same wall because you're still speaking to today's market with yesterday's language. Old resume bullets, old networking fear, old interview answers, self-talk, and hesitation. See, old language always recreates old outcomes. Here's the takeaway. Rejection is data, not identity. So until you rewire the meaning and regulate the emotion and upgrade your language, you will continue to experience the same results with different companies. See, that's why blind spots require a mirror, a strategist, and a guide. So if this is hitting home, stop trying to solve a mindset problem with volume. Hire the right career strategist. Upgrade your language. Reclaim your market position. Because the old way does not deserve your future. The market did not reject your value. It rejected the outdated language patterns. So if this is you, DM breakthrough or the word breakthrough or email me at don@domarcompanies.com to reset your strategy now. So our next class is a 4-part lesson to gain control of your career. If you are that individual that wants to try something different from a retained executive search strategy, then DM me today to get started. I look forward to you joining me, and happy Easter. God bless you.